All right, my car's in the shop and I've been driving a Model 3 Performance for a while, but look what they gave me as a loaner for one more day. So that's pretty sweet. So I get to drive this around for a day and hopefully I'll be able to get some videos of how it works. Super excited. I've always wanted to take one for a demo, but I haven't had the opportunity, just too busy and whatnot. Anyways, this will be pretty sweet. So you open the door, press there, just pops out. Check that out. Got this fancy steering wheel. Close the door. Didn't know that if that's normal, it's got this white trim going all around. But pretty awesome. And this back window. All right,